New creation, new creation. The God who made the morning spoke again. He said, becoming something did. The thing I was, he put it in the ground, and what came up the world has never seen. Not repaired, not the old one, renovated. He commanded and I was created. New creation. The old is gone, the new has come. New creation. I am not who I was. Behold what he has done. Behold what he has done. New creation. I used to walk a course I couldn't name, a dead man on a road that went in circles. But the voice that split the dark on the first day spoke my name, and I became. No resume of mine could build this, not my climb and not my best. He took the whole of what I was and gave me everything he is. Not improved, not a better version of me. He spoke a word and I started to be. New creation. The old is gone, the new has come. New creation. I am not who I was. Behold what he has done. Behold what he has done. New creation. Anyone in Christ, the same word that made the galaxies is the word that made you right. Look at us, look at what he's made, from the dead, from the dirt, from the belly. Every one of us remade. Can these bones live? Can these bones live? He's spoken, now they sing. New creation. The old is gone, the new has come. New creation. We are not who we were. Behold what he has done. Behold what he has done. New creation. New creation. New creation. Behold, he's making something no one's seen before. New creation.